It's holiday time. Just dropped off the works van. And it's Grizz and Taffy. I'm gonna pop over to Fowler's and get a breakfast, alright? Okay. Get a holiday breakfast. Just hope it doesn't rain. Weather's not looking great. Looking a bit iffy. Although we're not forecast rain. But I think we are definitely we are definitely officially out of our British summertime, and it's feeling very autumnal. Autumnal, is that even a word? It's feeling a bit like autumn. So yeah, leaves are falling, and it's a chilly 17 degrees. That's not cold, is it really? But it was 7 degrees the other morning when I got up for work. So yeah, definitely a bit chilly. What's been going on? What's been going on? Where have I been? Where have we been? I've not really been anywhere. I've done the vlog with lamb chops and spent a long time editing that and getting it up. And about a week has passed, and I'm out on the bike. I'm having a holiday because I'm just knackered and I need a holiday. So yeah, that's what's kind of going on really. Yeah, just happy to be out and not have to go to work for a week. So yeah, nice to have a nice week off. We are in the process of finding a puppy. Well, we found a puppy. We're in the process of getting a puppy. Our puppy is due to arrive, or we can pick him up, shall I say, the beginning of next month. So I'm really looking forward to that. I know Taffy's as well, and we're getting little Frenchie, little French Bull Terrier. So yeah, dead excited to have his company. Yeah, that's about it. Let's go get some breakfast. Poppity pop, there we go. That was Fowler's. Well, we went for breakfast like hours ago. Hours and hours ago. Had breakfast, had a look around. Might have even booked myself in for a test ride of a couple of bikes. Yeah, we're about to leave when we bumped into when we bumped into my mate Mark, so who was on the R1 in the ride out, the good, bad and the ugly vids. So yeah, bumped into him and sat down and had a drink, and a few hours later we've stumbled out. So we've like lost most of the day. Now we're going over to Weston to another dealership because I want to have a look at another bike. Now, if you've not already guessed, Grizz is having a look around at bikes, and this is something I need to do a proper vlog about because it's quite a big subject that I need to talk to you about. But yes, Grizz is looking at buying another bike. I'll explain to you in full length in the next vlog why and what I'm looking at. But yeah, there is going to be some more changes, sadly guys. There's some more changes coming up. There's lots of changes actually. Taffy is still going for her test. Yeah, she has actually done a couple of tests and failed them, but not by much. A couple of small little problems that we're trying to iron out, hence we're out today riding, and we've got a week off and we're going to do lots of riding and hopefully iron out a few of the problems she's been having, and also go and have a look at some bikes in the process, have some test rides, and see if Grizz can come up with a winning combo, a new winning combo. Anyway, let's get on over to Western. So hopefully, guys, this microphone isn't too bad. It's not my usual mic, because the mic I was using, the microphone I was using, completely messed up on me when I did the lamb chops video, and I lost like 3/4 of my audio, 3/4 of me talking about the Super Duke and lamb chop Super Duke and my thoughts and impressions of it. So yeah, the video, although it was kind of good and it was fun, wasn't really very a proper review as such, and proper opinions on the bike. It was a bit kind of short-winded. So yeah, I am actually going to go for a test ride on my standard Super Duke, the new one. I'm also going to go test ride the 790 as well, because I just think it's a brilliant bike. It's a great value for money, has an amazing package of extras, and I'm genuinely interested in it. So I'm interested in both, actually, both bikes. See, I don't like all these observations. I know they are, you know, all part and parcel of passing your test, but I don't like looking around when you got something in front of you when you're travelling, you know? Just doesn't really sit very well, you know, looking like that when you're going forward with moving traffic in front of you, for me, feels a bit dangerous, but that's just me. I know she has to do it for passing her test, and I know it's all part of the driving standards, and I'm sure, you know, obviously it's great to, you know, be aware of your surroundings, but your surroundings haven't changed just because, you know, you've changed from a different speed limit. You've got to do an observation when you change, go from one speed limit into another. So if you go from a 40 down into a 30, you've got to do an observation. You know, it makes sense, I guess. You know, you've got to do observation because you're decreasing your speed. But is that going to prevent someone from running into the back of you? No. Is it going to prevent you from going into the back of a car in front of you when you're not looking at the car in front of you, and it might be decreasing its speed at a greater rate than you are? Yeah, I think that actually puts you at risk. So is it a wise time to be looking behind you? In my books, I would say not, but it's not really my job to argue with the people that have created these standards for these tests. But it doesn't quite seem right to me. What do you think? Answers on a postcard. Yeah, camera and microphone actually played up when I did the lamb chops ride out. I got there waiting for lamb chops to arrive to realise that my camera had stopped working, and I couldn't get it to work again, and basically I had to reset it again. There was nothing wrong with the batteries, everything was fully charged up. Yeah, wouldn't work, would not work, so I had to reset it, and then it started working again. So yeah, that's kind of not my confidence of it with the old Sony camera. I mean, you get problems with the GoPros. They do kind of reject cards from time to time. Not very often though, to be honest. But never really had it kind of just shut down on me and not kind of not work. So that was quite alarming. But thankfully I got it going again. But it did adjust some of the settings that I usually use, and I couldn't remember exactly what settings I had again. So it was a bit of faffing and a bit of kind of hit and miss. Taff is losing me. Fucking hell. Taffy, go. Go, Taffy, go. I've got this in slick mode. You can really tell it actually. The slick mode on this bike bloody kicks it in slick mode. I don't ride it often in slick mode, just for the reason I just put it in race and forget about it. But slick is just hardest delivery, I think, power. Quite easy to live with, to be honest with you. It's not until you open it up and forget you've got it in it that you go, oh yeah, it's got a bit more go. So we just come from another dealership in Weston, and going to test ride another bike, and yeah, it's another different bike again. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that and seeing if it floats me boat. See if it floats me boat. Sorry guys, sorry I'm being so kind of shielded over this. I guess there's definitely a change coming, and I don't want to get into it too much now because it just turned it into a really long vlog. But anyway, that is our day out for now. We're heading home, gonna go and have some food and chill out with Taffy and start enjoy. Actually, I've been enjoying this holiday already, but gonna chill out at home with Taffy and yeah, get editing this video and get it up on the channel. So all will be discussed in more depth soon as to why Grizz could possibly want to part with this beast of a BMW, and why he's looking at other bikes. And soon I should be bringing you some more test rides, or some test rides of some bikes, because I just need to get out there and start trying these bikes out and start crossing off a few things and deciding what direction I'm going to take next on two wheels. And yeah, then we'll start shopping for a new bike for Taffy when she passes her test, which hopefully will happen sooner rather than later. So yeah, lots of exciting stuff going on. I hope you're all well. Sorry Grizz has been a bit, I don't know, detached on this one. I am still suffering a little tiny bit, not as much. I'm getting more recovered now, but I've had a bit of hard bashing this last month, health wise, and I don't want to bang on about it, but it's not been great, but I'm doing better, and we're getting there, so it's all good. Right everyone, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, lots more fun to come soon. Cheers, bye. Come on guys.